Timing the tones. Word stress in time expressions. Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful rhythms of the English language by focusing on an essential aspect of pronunciation, word stress. In particular, we'll be discussing how to use word stress in time expressions, which can make a big difference in how understandable your English sounds. Let's dive right in. Before we start exploring the time expressions, let's take a moment to remind ourselves what word stress is. In English, not all syllables in a word are pronounced with the same emphasis. One or more syllables are usually pronounced more loudly and with a higher pitch. This is what we call stress. Stressing the correct syllables can greatly enhance your pronunciation and make you easier to understand when speaking English. When we talk about time, the general rule is to stress the unit of time. This could be seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. For example, in the phrase, 3 weeks, the stress falls on weeks. This is true for other time-related expressions as well, such as 5 days, 2 hours, and so on. Remember, it's about the unit, not the quantity. When telling the time, English speakers usually stress the minutes if they're not on the hour. For instance, we say 15 past 2 or half past 4. But when it's on the hour, we stress the hours. For example, we say, it's 2 o'clock. When it comes to dates, we usually stress the day part of the date. For example, in June 15th, we stress 15th. However, if only the month and year are given, we stress the year. For instance, we say, January 2023. And that wraps up our lesson on word stress in time expressions. Remember, the key to mastering word stress is consistent practice. It may feel strange at first, but over time, it will become second nature to you. So keep practicing these patterns, and you'll soon notice an improvement in your English pronunciation. Happy learning!